Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the flat tire we got to fix first. Sawyer's back there getting the tools, and we're going to get this thing off and get up here to the tire store, get it fixed. The Milwaukee let me down. It won't break them. Plan B.
Yokers are tight.
I must have put them on last time. That could be a problem.
So already at that. I turned the tire.
Turning the tire?
I did when I tried picking up.
So we got that little project done. Tires back on. Now we're gonna pull them out. Sarge's gonna pressure wash them.
I got a woman way over town that's good to me. Oh yeah, yeah, I got a woman way over town, good to me. Oh yeah, she give me money when I'm in need. Yeah, she's the kind of friend indeed.
got something fixed. There's always something fixed on the farm. Sawyer and I come over the other day and we had a flat tire on the tractor. We took it off, we took it to the tire shop, got fixed. It lasted about 2 or 3 days before it went back flat. So I had to come over here and take it off, take it back to the tire shop. So that's gonna be the first project today. I gotta get that tire unloaded, get it put on. So the good thing about fixing a flat tire on a tractor is you don't need a jack if you got a front end loader. So we're just gonna take the front end loader, put a little pressure on it, raise up the tire. Or in this case, I've actually got to go down with it and get her lined up. All right guys, so we got the tire back on, and if you're gonna work on this stuff, you're gonna have to have some little bit bigger tools than what you normally work on your vehicle with. I don't know if you can see this, but you gotta have a 3/4 inch drive, ratchet, socket set, some impacts. You can't really see it. I got all my Milwaukee impacts in this bag. The main thing is you got to have a breaker bar or a cheater bar, and this is just a galvanized pipe that I welded this handle on. That way I could really get a hold to it if I needed to. And man, these bolts on here are torqued to specifics. I mean, they're, I don't know, I think John Deere says put them on extra tight. No, I'm just kidding, but they are extremely tight. Hard to get on, hard to get off. Guys, if you're liking these videos and, you know, you kind of like what we're doing here, you don't mind seeing just good old country folks working, trying to make an honest living, enjoying life, spending time with family, working hard, raising our own garden and our own beef. And, you know, if you like that type of stuff, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and let's get this channel growing so, you know, people can see that life in Mississippi, or life in the SIPP as I call it, ain't so bad. I think Mississippi gets a negative, they get a negative reputation all over the nation, and I'm just doing my part to put this on YouTube so people can see that life in the SIPP ain't that bad. And if they knew what we knew, they'd come join us.